Showing you how I use this application here to bypass any restriction with streaming websites that you can't access. You can just use this VPN here to bypass it. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, take a look at this application here called SafeShell VPN Stream Freedom. So take a quick look on how the application looks. As you can see here, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open the application. So here's pretty much the home screen of the VPN, I should say. So this is a VPN application. Pretty much allows you to bypass website that you can't access. Let's say you're restricted in your current country and you're outside the US, you can use a VPN to get access to that website or application. So let's say for example you want access to a specific application. Let's say if Netflix is streaming website, sometimes outside of US it won't work. So all you got to do is pretty much tap add here, and this feature pretty much allows you to add or set up a specific application that you want the VPN to connect to. It will only run through this application, nothing else. So let's say for example Netflix. So if I tap on Netflix setup, here I can select whichever server I want to use. More likely it will be United States or Canada. So any one of those here. You can also choose any other servers. You can see here all the servers that are available, and most of them, I should say, they are working very good. However, one thing to keep in mind with this application here, you pretty much have to have a subscription to use it. For the Android version, you pretty much get a 7-day free trial if you want to test out the application, but anything else you will need a subscription to overall use the application. If you don't have a subscription, you won't be able to use anything or even connect to a server. So that's the downside of this application here, but pretty good VPN, I should say. And let's say I want to set up this here and select the server, and as you can see here, I'm only using the United States Netflix. So if I go back now and I tap on this here, it pretty much will connect the VPN, but the VPN connection will only run through the Netflix or the selected app that I've selected here. So let's say I want to add more applications to the list here. All I got to do is just tap on edit, and here you can pretty much select more, as you can see. So some of these applications that we are listing is not on my device, however you can download it and pretty much set it up. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And over the global section, this is pretty much where you go to select your server and pretty much use any one of these servers to do pretty much anything. So here you pretty much tap on this to choose your server, as I've shown earlier. As you can see, quite a lot of servers, I should say. Most of these servers, they have 2 for them and sometimes 1. So that's really pretty much it for this. And let's say I want a Hong Kong server, I can just tap on this here, and only one server for this country here is available. So I'll just tap on this here. Once I tap on that, we'll ask for connection request. Once I tap on this here, just tap on OK. Once connected, as you can see here, it's connected in seconds. So very fast connection. You won't even notice that it's connected. So as you can see here, it's now connected and it's running. So you can now go ahead and browse. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And to disconnect, you pretty much just tap on this back here and tap on disconnect. So very easy application to use, nothing hard for you to understand. And at the top here, you may see a profile icon. Here you can go to pretty much see your the account settings and the subscription that you have. If you have any problem with the application or your subscription, you can go to your support option there, and also you can change the language of the application. As you can see all the languages that are available. Now I can also go about section, pretty much get more information on the version and so forth. Nothing much for that. In the account section here, you pretty much get a preview of your subscription and your email that you're using with the application. So as you can see, I can connect up to 5 devices. So all subscription, I think, can connect up to 5 devices per account, and your subscription prices. I'm gonna see if I can find it. I'm gonna log out of this here. So here I'm gonna see if I can find your subscription real quick. Let me just go back. So I can find your subscription, but however, I think your subscription, they offer a monthly subscription which is 6.96 US, I would say, and the weekly subscription is about 3 USD or so forth. But once you open the application, you will see the subscription prices, so do look out for that, guys. But overall, with this application, we'll give it a 6 out of 10. But good application overall. Connects very fast, servers are very fast, everything works properly for me. And that's really pretty much it for this video. And if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys. All that's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, stay tuned for new videos. Bye.